In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment in Calendly. Calendly is a fantastic tool for organizing your schedule and making it easy for others to book time with you. Whether you're setting up a one-on-one meeting or coordinating with a group, Calendly simplifies the process and eliminates the back-and-forth emails about availability. If you're new to Calendly, don't worry. I'll guide you through every step to create and share your first appointment seamlessly. And if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Calendly homepage at www.calendly.com. Once you're on the site and logged into your account, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Create button. You'll find it in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it. This is the starting point to set up a new appointment, and it's where all the customization begins. Next, you'll see an option to choose the type of meeting you want to schedule. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the one-on-one meeting option. This is perfect for scheduling individual appointments with a single person, keeping things simple and straightforward. However, if you're planning to meet with multiple participants, you can select the group meeting option instead. Either way, pick the one that suits your needs. Now, a new window will appear on the left side of your screen. Here you'll need to enter a unique name for your meeting. This is your chance to personalize the event, so it's easy to identify. Think of something descriptive like consultation or coffee chat. Giving your meeting a clear and unique name helps both you and your invitees know exactly what the event is about. Once you've named your event, it's time to choose the duration of the meeting. Calendly offers a range of options from as short as 15 minutes to as long as 2 hours. Select the time frame that works best for the type of appointment you're setting up. For example, a quick check-in might only need 15 minutes, while a detailed discussion could require an hour or more. After setting the duration, you'll need to specify the location for your meeting. Click on the location field and you'll see a variety of options. You can choose to meet in person or select a virtual platform like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or another service. If you're not sure which platform to use, take a moment to explore the options and pick the one that works best for you and your invitees. Next, you'll want to set your availability in the availability section. This is crucial because it ensures your schedule aligns with that of your guests. You can customize the days and times you're open for meetings, so adjust these settings to fit your personal calendar. And remember, you can always come back to tweak these if your schedule changes later. Now let's categorize your meeting by selecting the event type. This is where you clarify the purpose of the meeting. For instance, you might choose initial consultation for a first-time client or follow-up for recurring discussions. Categorizing your event helps keep everything organized and transparent for both you and your invitees. Once you've gone through all the customization and are happy with the settings, click the Create button to finalize your meeting. Calendly will generate a unique link for your event, which is the key to sharing it with others. Copy the link provided and get ready to share it with your invitees. You can paste the link into an email, a direct message, or even embed it on your website. This is the simplest and most efficient way for your guests to book a time that works for both of you. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared an appointment in Calendly. So now you know exactly how to set up a personalized meeting link in Calendly that fits your schedule and makes booking effortless for everyone involved. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.